What's up, rally peeps? Have I got a treat for you? So, as I kind of hinted, on a whim, of course, I went and bought us another project. But I'm going to blame this on my son and say this is for my son, and this is going to be his first car. I did send him a picture of it so he kind of knows what it looks like, but he has definitely not seen the complete shape it's in because she's rough. But I do got an engine and a transmission that comes with it, if that gives you a little hint. But yeah, here, check it out. I'll give you a little preview before he gets here. So, and then we'll get his reaction to what he thinks, because boy, she's got a smell. She's definitely got a smell. Check it out. Tell me what you think.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
I know, a little dramatic. Well, what do you think? I am super pumped, man. 1965 Ford Mustang, 289 car. Probably paid about what it's worth. I mean, you can tell it's pretty rough. So it rained pretty much all day yesterday. So Jackson ended up going over to a friend's house. So today, I just gave him a shout. He's gonna come over about 1 o'clock. So I thought, in preparation for him to clean it all up, man, look at it, looking pretty decent. I made some cardboard block off the window because I got a power washer sitting over there, so we can get to power washing. We'll block off the window and power wash the outside first, and then take all that off and take everything out of the inside and kind of see what we have, what we need. But we do have another window, and I think we have another quarter window too, but I'm not for sure yet. We'll have to get in there and see. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get to cleaning this bad boy up and see what she looks like after 30 years sitting in a barn. Yep, 30 years. Hasn't been on the road since the 80s. Pretty good old girl. Got some heavy damage in the back. Leaf spring through the trunk, but ain't nothing that old Bobby Blockham can't fix up. Old Bobby built. So we'll see. All right, stay tuned. Look at that custom job. All right, that window taped up. Back window taped up. I didn't really do this one. I thought I could roll it up, but it won't roll up. Damn, that kid won't be here for another couple hours, and I'm doing all I can to not sit here and work on this thing. But geez, I just want to work on it. I just want to work on it. I want to get it clean, see what it looks like. Stay tuned. We'll be going to get him soon. First viewing. First viewing of the car. Look at him, he's all excited. Just kidding. Go ahead and take a look inside there. Yeah, go ahead. Go open that door and give her a nice big sniff. Oh yeah, look how glorious. Oh, she don't even want nothing. You don't want to look at it. We're gonna get her cleaned up, get her cleaned out. We'll be back. We're gonna check her out for a minute.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah. All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Shoo. Man, I was all pumped. I thought we had 4 hubcaps, but apparently one's different. Maybe there's another one in there that I haven't seen. Dang. So what do we got? We got 3 the same. Maybe there's one in there. What do you think? Pretty good? A lot better? Yeah. We haven't touched the inside yet, so that'll probably change his mind. That's pretty good. She's cleaned up all right. Lots of Bondo in the back. She's been rear-ended, that's for sure. You can tell by the way it is. Lots of Bondo. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today. Just wanted to get her cleaned up. Look at that. Look at that pony shined up, boy. Look at them chunks of Bondo. Apparently they didn't fix stuff right back in the day. So all we need is pretty much every window in this thing. Weld the rear end up so she'll roll. Drop the engine and tranny in it. Complete interior. You know, gas tank, fuel lines, all that. And it should be ready to go. No problem. I was wrong. We only have a year to do that, because he's taking driver's training in this month. So yeah, we need to get on it. Till next time, peeps. Rally on.